Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a QR code for a Flutter macOS app. So here I have a Flutter macOS app running, and here you can see I'm able to display a QR code. So let's get started. For this we will be making use of native UIs. So here is my Flutter project, and if you see my homepage widget, I have refactored it. So I have taken a scaffold, then I have taken a safe area, I have taken a size box, I have applied some width and height to it, and then I have taken a view for which I have created a custom widget which takes some text of what you want to display in the QR code. And this size box is necessary because if you don't provide a size box, your view will not be displayed and you will get lot of errors. Even though I am setting some width and height on the native side as well, still you require size box or a container with some width and height on the Flutter side as well while displaying the native view. Now for this native view to be displayed, I have first created a stateful widget. I have given it an identifier. Same identifier has to be used on the native side as well. And here I have created one map, I have created one key, and inside init state I have just initialized our key, and here I am passing our text to be displayed on QR code inside the map. And once suppose if you change this text later on, we want the widget to update. That's why we are using this did update widget and making use of this key. And if it is platform is macOS, we are just displaying an AppKit view, passing our key, passing our view type, layout direction, creation params, as well as standard message codec. Otherwise we are just displaying a placeholder. Now you will have to go to macOS folder and open the XC workspace inside Xcode. Once you open that, firstly you will have to go to main Flutter window and ignore this error for now, like this is a problem from Xcode itself. So here you will have to write this boilerplate code. This is necessary whenever you are trying to create any kind of native view. The only thing which you have to be careful about this identifier. So if you remember, I have defined the same identifier over here, and I'm using the same thing over here as well. And this is the reference to my Swift file which I have created. So I have created a Swift file called my macOS view native factory. You can name whatever you feel like, but make sure you change the name over here as well, and then create a Swift file with that name. And I have imported macOS core. Okay, you don't require WebKit, you require core image. And again you have to write a boilerplate code. So all this stuff is boilerplate code for writing a native view. Then we are overriding the create method. So here I am just displaying an NS image view. As you can see, I have hard coded the width and height, but if you want you can send the width and height from Flutter side as well, just like I have sent text from this. Then we are just getting the text from our Flutter side, and if that text is if we are able to get that text, then we convert it to data. Then we have to make use of this CI QR code generator, and we have to pass our data to the filter. And for the key input message, then I'm using CG affine transform, setting the scale as 3:3. You can change the scale just to make sure how sharp your QR code looks like. And then we just use the filter.outputImage.transform, pass our particular transform. Then it gives us a image rep which gets converted to NS image. We create an NS image from our image view, and then we add our rep to our NS image with the help of add representation. And then we just display our NS image inside our main image view, and then we return our image view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.